Today we're learning about translations. Can anyone tell me what a translation is?
Translate, like English to Spanish.
Wrong translation. What? Where the picture is moved, okay? So let me use the eraser for a second. Here is the eraser. All I'm doing is moving it to a different spot in the plane. Did anything change about the eraser? No. Okay, let me ask you this. If I went like this, is that a translation?
No.
No, what is it?
Turn? Something else.
A turn. What's another word for turn? Rotation. Okay? What if I did this and went like this? Is that a translation?
A flip?
No.
No, that is a translation.
Yeah.
On the other side.
No, it's
Did the eraser change?
No.
Okay, I started like this. Did it change?
Yeah.
Yes, so that is a reflection, okay? So that is not a translation. Okay, so it's only a translation if it's the same shape and it just moves in a different spot. So A, is that a translation?
Yes.
Yes. What about B?
No.
Why?
Because it's a
It's a reflection. It flipped. Yep. What about C?
No.
Why? It rotated.
And flipped.
Yep. Good. So, translations do not change the picture at all. Okay, it just moves it to a different spot. Okay? Go ahead, say yes or no if these are a translation or not. All right, so again, what's the definition of translation?
If it's moved but not flipped.
If it's just moved to a different spot, but nothing about the picture changed. Okay? Number 1.
No,
Why?
because it's reflected.
It reflects. Yep. It's not the same picture. What about 2?
Yes.
Yes. Why yes?
Because it just
Changed.
It just changed positions. It just moved. What about 3?
No.
Why?
rotated.
It's rotating. Yep. Good. All right. Now we're going to be bringing in coordinate planes with it. Okay. So we're going to be counting how the x changes and how the y changes. Okay. So you're going to start. You normally start with a xy coordinate. Okay. We are going to write a rule to see what happens to each one. So this is the rule for it, or the formula. This notation here is the change in the x and the change in the y. Okay? So I am going to start on the top. The top one is the starting point. So I'm just going to pick a random point. I'm going to pick the top point. So if I'm picking the top point here, which point should I be going to on the red one? The other top point, the same matching point. So, question, where is the x-axis at? Horizontal or vertical? It's this one. What about y?
Vertical.
It's this one. Okay, which one do we do first?
Vertical.
We do x first. X right here. We do x first. Okay, so x is go left to right. From here, where do I need to go?
Left.
Left, 1, 2, 3. I went left 3, so to write that, x minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus because I went in the negative direction. Minus 3 because I moved 3 spots. So now let's see what happens to the y. Where do I need to go? Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So down 4, positive or negative? Negative because I went down. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this right here is my answer. This is my rule for what's happening. Okay? Could you have picked a different point?
Yes.
Yes. So if you picked this point, let's see if it'd be the same. Where do I need to go first?
Over 3.
Left 3, 1, 2, 3. Still subtract, right? Still minus 3. And then I still need to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Still minus 4. So you would get the same thing no matter where you start. Okay? All right. Go ahead and try number 5. Number 5, I'm going to start here. Listen, I'm going to start here. Which axis do I do first? Which direction? X, which direction is X? Up and down or left and right? Left and right. So here, which direction do I need to go?
5.
What?
5 left.
Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how do I write that?
X plus 5.
Plus or minus? Minus. Okay, talk about this. Think about it as a number line. On a number line, to the left are all your negative numbers, right? To the right are all your positives. So if you move to the left, you're going towards your negatives, so you need a minus sign. Okay? If you're going to the right towards your positives, you need a positive sign.
I did the red one first, and it's a plus instead of a minus. Does
Right.
that matter?
Doesn't matter, but make sure you start at the right one. So make sure you start at the one it wants you to start at. Okay?
I couldn't see because it's not.
Yep, that's okay. So I'm here 5. Now what's my last thing?
Go down 2.
Down or up? You need to go 1,
Oh.
2.
The one I did was 2.
So y, I went up, so plus 2. That is my rule. Could you have started anywhere else? Could you have started at a different point? Yes. Would you have gotten the same answer? Yep. Good. Okay. Now we're going to be given the rule and need to write or draw the new shape. Okay, so I'm going to start at J. What's x plus 3 mean?
Over 3.
3 to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. What's y minus 2 mean? Down 2. 1, 2. So my new J is right here. And I'm going to call that J prime. Yep. J with an apostrophe.
You said down 2, right?
Yep. So now H, I'm going to start at H. What's my first thing I need to do? X plus 3 means
Over.
right 3. 1, 2, 3. Y minus 2? Down 2. 1, 2. H prime. Once I have those, do I need to keep counting?
I think so.
You can if you want, but what can I do instead? I can just make it look like the other picture. Okay, so here's my F prime, here's my G prime. Okay, do not leave them as points. Okay, connect the dots. Make it look like the shape. All right, go ahead and try number 7. X plus 3 and Y minus 2. So I'm going to start at X. Okay, you can start anywhere. I'm just going to pick X. What does X plus 3 mean?
To the right.
Right 3. 1, 2, 3. What does Y minus 2 mean? Down 2. 1, 2. So how do I notate this? X prime. Yep. So now I'm going to do Y. X plus 3 means right 3. 1, 2, 3. Y minus 2. Down 2. I'm going to do W. X plus 3. Right 3. 1, 2, 3. Y minus 2. Down 2. 1, 2. I'm here. W prime. Z. Do I need to count Z or can I do it a different way? How far away is Z from Y? 2 spots. You can count it.
So we do every point.
Every point with the same rule. Yep. Now, am I done? Yep. Connect the dots. All right. Any questions with translations? No? Okay.